Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Economics Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, Aditya Birla Group in talk with global banks for VI equity infusion. Next, Vodafone Idea loss widened to rupees 7,990 crore in quarter 3. Next, Grasim quarter 3 net falls 51%, revenue up 7%. Next, Adani Enterprises profit jumps to rupees 820 crore in quarter 3. Next, Adani looks to repay $500 million bridge loan. Next, TVS EV Co. may get $350 M from ADIA Goldman Kalyal. Next, PhonePe rises $100 million more. Next, Adani Enterprises profit jumps to rupees 820 crore in quarter 3. Next, Adani looks to repay $500 million bridge loan. Sorry for repeating. Next, IT survey at BBC office over transfer pricing violations. Next, premium electronic products turn bestsellers. Next, JioMart shutters quick communication service express. Next, resilience ultimate sea suicide tool. Next, Air India to buy 470 Airbus Boeing planes. Next, Airbus to be centerpiece of AI long haul strategy. Next, deal shows deepening of India France ties PM. Next, CCI probe against Apple almost complete. Next, then I comes to page number 2 in pure politics section under that IT survey at BBC office over transfer pricing violations. Next, UK government closely monitoring tax surveys in India. Next, no one above law Thakur. Next, if Supreme Court is seized of a matter, it's not right for me to comment. Shah. Next, if government has nothing to hide, why run away from JPC probe? Ask AICC. Next, 10th schedule being used to pursue political immorality. Uddhav Sen. Next, NSA will be slapped against those cheating or aiding cheaters. Yogi. Next, opposition parties condemn raids. Next, BBC most corrupt organization. BJP. Next, editors guild deeply concerned about IT survey. Next, woman daughter burned to death in UP village in a case of misplaced bulldozer action. Then I comes to page number 4 in pure politics section. Under that, Congress MPs seek Thor entry into new CWC. Next, deepening French ties, keeping Indo-Pacific region stable. Modi. Next, PM speaks with Biden. Both hell Air India Boeing deal. Next, indigenous air engines need of the hour. Rajnath. Next, looking to replace foreign systems, says Army Chief. Then I comes to page number 5 in economics time market section. Under that, hot inflation lifts yield, put rate hikes in play. Next, rupee down 7 paisa to 82.77. Next, investor confidence in India remains intact. Blackstone. Next, FlexiCap fund. On page number 6 in smart investing section under that, stationery maker Domes plans IPO to raise up to rupees 1200 crore. Next, mutual fund favor cheaper IT, health, auto and consumer, cut down banks infra. Next, Infosys wraps up its share buyback early. Next, InvestCorp sells 1.89% stake in Safari Industries. Next, India INC boardrooms have wisdom in plenty but much less of young blood. Next, Nika earnings estimates price targets cut after quarter 3 hit. On page number 7, in company section, under that, Airbus said to be centerpiece of Air India's long haul strategy. Next, India had a cracking year, Coca-Cola chairman. Next, government plans to include more airports under Krishi Udan. Next, Tata Boeing JV ships 737 parts from Hyderabad. Next, Thales BDL to sign MOU for rockets. Next, Niti Aayog CEO says, sorry, it's an advertisement. Then I comes to page number 10 in companies and economy section. Under that, CO to target exports market. Next, Air India last bought planes 16 years back. Next, Britain CJX joined US lead boycott of event in India. Next, Shreyas to join India squad ahead of second test. Next, Dortmund target big spending Chelsea. Next up, West Indies Women's T20 World Cup. India aim for improving bowling show. Mandhana likely to be back. Next, chief selector in the soup. On page number 11 in companies section, under that, fame probe electric two wheelers cause deny wrongdoing assure complaints. Next, global layoff don't bother India INC employs too much study. Next, no major risk to banks from Adani crisis says S&P executive. Then I comes to page number 12 in companies section. Under that, majority of lenders vote to sell Shri companies to NARCL. Next, Axis Commercial Reality Fund rises rupees 400 crore. Next, Diamantrari Diamanter Mehta fails to halt banks chase for $1 billion. On page number 13 in economy section, under that, Jan retail inflation overestimated. Next, wholesale inflation at 2-year low. Next, farm SPL team on portal glitch FM tells MCA. Next, wheat output seen rising 5% to 112 billion tons. Next, ONGC net profit increases 26% on higher oil gas rates. Next, Siemens profit jumps 85% fueled by strong revenues. Next, Bosch net profit climbs 36% to rupees 319 crore in December quarter. Next, Biocon reports rupees 42 crore loss due to exemption item. Page number 14 in brands and companies section, under that, spending in India set to grow 15% this year. Next, phone or TV action is at the premium and now. Next, VI loss widens as the cost subscriber loss hurt. Next, Eicher Motor net profit rises 62% on strong sales in December quarter. Next, Murthy named interim CFO. Next, Grasim quarter 3 net profit falls 51% amid rising input prices. Next, ICICI Bank signs pact with BNP Paribas. Next, Kotak Mahindra Bank arm rises $590 million. Next, global ops waiting on local metal cause margins. Next, Torrent Power quarter 3 net up 88% at rupees 694 crore. Next, Eicher Motors net profit rises 62% on strong sales in December quarter. Next, L. Oriel CEO says he's very excited about his India biz. Next, Reliance Retail open e-outlet Tira for beauty products. On page number 15 in around the world section, under that, Nike Haley launches her 2024 US presidential bid. Next, Ford to slash 3,800 jobs in Germany, UK. On page number 16 in disruption section, under that, refinancing senior debt. Next, Adani appoints GT for audit. Next, stock goes up 1.91%. Next, gaming giant Epic brings it fight with Google in US to India. Next, PhonePe lands $100 million top up at $12 billion valuation. Next, JioMart shutters its quick delivery service Express. Next, CEO Goyal plays down Zomato's attrition problem. Next, Amazon taking half of each sale from merchants study. Next, Uber forge cloud deal with Oracle. Next, EV transformation to net India investments worth $300 billion. Then I comes to page number 17 in companies section, under that, report not submitted to board yet. Next, long-term financing key. On page number 18 in the edit page section, under that, keep a keen eye on inflation. Next, women's IPL valued virtuous cycle. Next, oversimplification and its complication. Next, the trade policy India needs. Next, faith and science. Next, time to arrest this serial killer. Next, for development with a green huge. Next, resilience ultimate sea suicide tool. Next, not for the love of business. On page number 19, in economic time penalty section under that, separating personal and professional lives. Then it comes to page number 20 in brand section, brand equity section under that, diversity, a large slice of the big apple's pie chart. Next, Hermes win lawsuit has jurors not convinced NFT are art. Next, Finnair retires duty free trolley has on board shopping fits. Next, Zara says it's time its largest market pays for online returns. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.